Hello everyone, hi, this is Shipra Singh, and today, so as promised, I'm here. I told you I'll be giving the first lesson today. First of all, thank you all of the new subscribers who have subscribed to the YouTube channel of mine, and it's a great appreciation. Okay, let's start with learning Hindi, the first lesson. Today we are going to do the consonants, and I'll choose some of the consonants. You can see them on board. This is the whiteboard I'm using, and I hope the voice is clear. Okay, so let's start. First is K. I'm sure you all can see my pointer, the arrow. So this is K. The first is K. K. I'm repeating it. K. Okay. To understand how to use it and to how to say it, to pronounce it, I help you with two words: car, car, and call. Some people say call, some people say call. So it's you have to differentiate. It's k, k, k. Okay. Next is k, k, k. Remember the word camping. You know, in this word normally we say camping, so it's k, k. Okay. Next word is alphabet. I'm sorry, it's alphabet. It's g, 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 g as in game, guts. I'm just using and trying to recall the words randomly which are coming in my mind. So just don't get away with what kind of words I'm using. I'm trying to use the very common words so that you all can recall the word when you want to say that pronunciation of the particular alphabet. So guts, or sometimes we say game. Okay, so g, it's g, g. Then is gh, 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 gh. Gh is very used commonly. It is ghost. You can say ghost, or game. Like some people say game, some people say game. You know, normally that the vocal sound that comes when you try to say GAME is game. So it's g, and when it is just the G sound, it's g. Normally, non-speakers of Hindi has an accent of saying g, and when you want to say k, they automatically say k, k. You know, like car. So like a ghost. So and if you have to say game, they sometimes, because this is like a normal way of them speaking a alphabet. Okay, and it's very difficult to sometimes for the people who I teach. They feel that they are not able to pronounce that sound. They automatically starts pronouncing g instead of g, and k instead of ka. So it's okay. I will say that if in beginning you don't get to that, you don't hit the nail on the head, it's okay, because this is like same with the Hindi speakers when when they try to speak the English like the native Americans or native English speakers. We are not able to, but we are happy that we are, because it is used language. It is very very commonly used. The English is very common and very much used, so we have to learn it. We speak it, but and we love it. We are okay with it. So the same way, the more used to you will be with the language, you will be okay, and you will come out with that sound. You will be able to get, okay, fine, I'm fine, I'm able to at least speak Hindi, I'm okay. And it's fine, it's totally fine. Then is n. This is basically very least used alphabet, so it's n. It's actually in this whole list, so we are going to just read it, but it's not used commonly. Okay, so the main is k, k, g, gh, k, k, g, gh. Okay, I'm going to stop the today's lesson here only, because I don't want anybody to get bored with the long lessons. I know that I have to complete a whole in 60 days, but don't worry, I will. Okay, so these are the 4 consonants, and very important consonants. If you get okay with these, at least for today, I will be very, very happy, and I'm sure you will learn Hindi in 60 days. Okay, so let's recall them. It's k, k, kha, g, gh, k, kh, g, gh, k, kh, g, gh. Okay, and I think that like the people who will automatically get this video into their inbox because of the subscription will enjoy it. But I really want the people who really want to learn Hindi to please subscribe to my channel, because it's totally free. It's only because I and the people who want to promote Hindi are together to keep going Hindi and promoting it all over the world. So please join us. Thank you, and thank you for this lesson, listening me. And you can write to me. I'll be giving my email just below the lesson video. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep subscribing.